Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about semi-truck accidents and 18-wheeler accidents. Many drivers take to granted that most motorists follow the rules of the road while driving. They may not even realize they are in significant danger sharing the road with so many drivers, especially the drivers of large 18-wheelers due to the sheer size of these machines. People can be seriously or catastrophically hurt in big rig accidents. Accidents involving 18-wheeler happen every day. Truck drivers and the occupants of automobiles can suffer serious injuries and even death. The San Antonio 18-wheeler truck accident lawyers of Carabin Shaw are dedicated to working hard for accident victims and their rights. All over Texas and the Southwest, our attorneys are committed to covering the financial compensation for everyone injured in an accident due to and other negligence. There are more than 4 lakh accidents involving large trucks across the United States annually, including commercial box truck and tractor trailer combinations such as 18-wheeler trucks, according to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. In 2021, 5,788 people died in crashes involving large trucks. Many of these 18-wheeler accidents involved passenger automobiles and motorcycles. At Carbon Show, we aim to protect the rights of the families of personal injury and wrongful death victims and actively seek the highest compensation for pain and suffering, lost wages, medical bills, and many other things you may not things to ask for. If a commercial truck driver has injured you or a loved one, call our offices today at 210 222 so we can schedule a time for you to come in and speak with our San Antonio 18-wheeler accident attorney to proceed with your case. Our law firm fights the big insurance companies. You may be approached by insurance company representatives and asked to answer what sound like standard questions after being involved in an 18-wheeler accident. Knowing your rights before you speak to an insurance agency to protect your case and future award is imperative. The first step in securing these items is coming in for a free consultation to speak with our seasoned San Antonio truck accident lawyers and the rest of the team who will work litigant to protect you and your family best interest. National data in 2021, 1,17,300 large trucks were involved in crashes, resulting in an injury for the other driver involved, a 12% increase from 2020. Since 2016, the number of trucks involved in injury crashes has increased by 15%. A total of 5,788 people died in large truck crashes in 2021. The number of deaths increased by 17% from 2020 and is up 47% in the last 10 years. The majority of deaths in large truck crashes are occupants of other vehicles, 72%, followed by truck occupants 17%, and non-occupants, primarily pedestrians and bicyclists, 11%. Data provided by the National Safety Council. Bixar County, San Antonio data for 2022, we had 22 fatalities resulting from 20 truck accidents. In addition, 37 individuals involved in 18-wheeler crashes were seriously injured. Out of 2,250 commercial truck-related accidents in Bexar County, 734 injuries were reported. There are many ways drivers of big rigs can put others on the road in seriously danger. More often than not, it is simply a result of the driver not following appropriate protocol. For example, they fail to take time for required rest breaks or do not properly log their driving hours. But sometimes drivers may drive carelessly because they feel pressured to meet strict deadlines enforced by their employer. There are countless ways a driver may be negligent and endanger others on the road. If you find yourself a victim in an 18-wheeler accident, rest assured we at Caravan Shaw are on your side, and we are here to help you 24/7. Give us a call so we can start helping you today. Our San Antonio 18-wheeler accidents attorney protects victims who were severely injured as a result of the truck driver's fatigue, reckless driving, and speeding, including failure to take required rest breaks or failure to log their hours correctly, failure to abide traffic laws and signs, distracted driving, texting while driving, tire blowouts, mechanical failures, shifting loads, violations of the regulations set by the Department of Transportation, failure to take proper safeguards when backing up or driving within city limits.